Why is nobody talking about how the ancient Igbo people lived? There are a lot of things that happened during the ancient time that you don't even know. For centuries, the Igbo people have lived in harmony with their environment in southeastern Nigeria. Their traditional way of life was deeply connected to the natural world, and they developed profound respect for the land and its resources. In the 15th century, the Igbo people developed a sophisticated method of agriculture, which allowed them to thrive in the fertile but challenging environment of the Niger Delta. They cultivated crops like yams, cassava, and palm oil, and developed innovative irrigation systems that support their farming practices. The Igbo people also had an intensive understanding of the medicinal properties of plants and trees in their environment. They developed a rich tradition of herbal medicine, which was passed down from generation to generation. In the 19th century, the Igbo people faced a very important significant environmental challenge, including deforestation, soil erosion, and climate change. However, they responded to these challenges with remarkable resilience and adaptability. For example, in the 1920s, the Igbo people developed a new system of agriculture known as slash and burn, which allowed them to clear land quickly and efficiently without causing long-term damage to the environment. Today, the Igbo people continue to live in harmony with their environment and are working to develop sustainable solutions to the environmental challenges they face. Their story remains a testament to the power of traditional knowledge and the importance of living in harmony with nature. Do you think that westernization has a very huge impact in the Igbo traditional environment? Tell me in the comment section.